Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious bacon lovers omelet. It's easy to make and I think you guys should give it a try. It's loaded with bacon, child. So to my skillet here, I'm going to start cooking up my bacon. This was just some regular Walmart bacon. I paid maybe $6 for it. Y'all know food is out of control these days. But yeah, it's just some hickory smoked bacon, but you can use the bacon you prefer. And you want to get it nice and crisp on both sides. You could do this in the air fryer, in the oven, however you want to. So now onto the egg mixture. So to my small bowl, I'm going to add my eggs down in here, and I'm also going to add some cottage cheese for some extra protein, flavor, and fluff. I do feel like it gives your omelet an extra, oomph, and so I add a little bit to it. And yep, so I'm also going to season it with the seasonings of my choice. I use some garlic powder and a salt, pepper, garlic mix. I don't remember the exact name, but any all-purpose seasoning will do, or whatever you have in your house. And you want to mix this up liberally. Get the cottage cheese nice and mixed all throughout there. I guess the cottage cheese is optional if you're not into that, but I promise you do not taste it like that at all. It just makes it super creamy on the inside and nice and fluffy. You don't taste it. I just noticed it's been a minute since I talked to y'all. I'm a little rusty. So now I'm going to remove my bacon from the skillet. As you can see, I tore my skillet up making this bacon. I should have popped it in the oven or something, but it's all good. Drain it on paper towels, and then you want to chop those up into pieces and set it to the side. So now we're going to work on the omelet. So to a smaller skillet, I have reserved a tablespoon of the bacon fat and a pat of butter. And now I'm going to add some peppers and scallions to it. And I'm going to saute it down for a few minutes, maybe a couple minutes, to get it nice and translucent. So now I'm gonna add the egg mixture right over top, like I'm doing right here. Make sure you cover all the peppers and scallions and get it nice and in the zhuzh, okay? And you want to let it set. Now I'm cooking this on about medium. I'm on number 5. Do not do the most with the heat because you will burn your omelet. Don't be like me. Well, I didn't burn mine, but just let it sit and do its thing. Now for me, I just push the edges in so that the liquid on top can get underneath. Some people, like I'm doing right here, this is what some people do. They mix it around until they get this. But I just go around the edges and just let the liquid get to the bottom. And as it cooks, I keep doing it and it gets nice and fluffy. So then you want to add your cheese of choice and your bacon, half of your bacon down in here. And now you're going to flip. Now, child, at this point... You know what I'm saying? What's crazy? I have 1,200 recipes on here. I do believe I'm a good cook. But when it comes to the simple things, I always struggle. And I don't know what is going on. I always struggle. But this is how it looked. It came out perfect, delicious, pretty. So now you want to top it off with even more cheese and more bacon on top. And this is what it looks like. It was so good, you guys. Not over salty at all. As you can see, I didn't add any salt. I had a seasoning that had salt, but I didn't add any extra salt. But it was so good. And yeah, look how pretty this is. And cheesy too, okay? So, quick life update. I've just been working on my health, being a mom to baby Lily, and just living my life, okay? It's nothing's crazy going on or nothing outlandish. I do understand I've been absent, but again, I told y'all from the last video that life happens. It is what it is. And this channel is not about me telling my business. I've never been the person to tell my business. If you're looking for drama, this channel is probably not for you. Okay, it's probably not for you. So thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you to the people that actually messaged me on Instagram and checked on me instead of doing what y'all be doing on these videos. That's why I'm gonna be over here. But thank y'all so much. Love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.